Hi, how are you? Hope you had a good weekend. Thanks for logging on. It is 3:30 Monday afternoon when this was recorded, and it's been a very wet start to the week yet again for Newcastle right across the Hunter. That rain band moving into the mid-north coast and headed for the northeast corner of New South Wales and southeast Queensland. Taking a look at the radar, it's been a huge rain band stretching right back across the northwest with solid falls right across Narrabri, Moree Plains, just patchy rain there, but more consistent right throughout the northwest around Tamworth to Barraba up to Glen Innes, tracking in across the northern tablelands. Have to admit, it'd be very nice to have a nice, long, dry, sunny spell. Can we get one? Well, we've got a little bit of a one on the way. This latest rain band coming through, this one is all thanks to the Indian Ocean dipole. Ocean temperatures are still very, very warm in the Indian Ocean, and last week we saw all of this moisture just get caught in the jet stream, and it's just flown right across the country, falling into what's called prefrontal trough. The actual front is passing the southeast, firing up some nasty thunderstorms earlier on this Monday afternoon around lunchtime across Melbourne and much of southern Victoria. The colder air pushing in across South Australia, Victoria, and starting to slide in across New South Wales. What happens with this setup? They get all the storms, they get the showers, and then the air mass really dries out by the time it reaches our broadcast area. So we tend to see some beautiful autumn conditions. It'll be colder, it'll be sunnier, so therefore much, much drier. And this whole system will push that rain band into the northeast corner of New South Wales during your Tuesday, into southeast Queensland, triggering more rain periods and thunderstorms. But with this system bringing up the rear, the good news is it'll push it and clear it all by the time we get to Wednesday. But there is some cold air wrapped up in this. It is going to be quite chilly, particularly for the Hunter, Central Coast, Mid-North Coast, and the Tablelands will feel that burst of cold air come through Wednesday, which should be predominantly fine and mostly sunny. We'll see a couple of coastal showers develop later in the week, but it is going to be somewhat drier. And the weekend, I know we're a fair way out, it's looking okay at this point, but of course we'll check it as we move through the week right here. And if you're a surfer, it has been an amazing number of days of big waves right along the New South Wales coast. We've got lots of westerly winds continuing, but that swell is going to be dropping off somewhat.